Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some really fun and easy a quick craft project. We're going to make some cards really fast, really quickly. These are a prefabricated card bases from Michaels in one of those little, hot buy. I show you this every time. I hope you guys are not getting tired of this because some people don't buy these, but when I first was buying a whole bunch of junk, it came in this and it has a whole bunch of different things in there, so you don't have to worry about envelopes or a card base for that matter. Or you can even use some of the cards and just write quick little I love you notes to your loved one, or send, quick little things. Like when I send things that I've sold online, I'll throw in a card like that and just say, thank you for your purchase. So we're going to use this. I pulled out this last week because I was going to do some orange and just go ahead and do this for the Rainbow Crafts collaboration, but I chose to do the napkin because I really want to do some fall things. So we have this ribbon, don't have a lot on there as you can see, so that's a bummer, but we haven't, I think we have enough for 3 cards. If not, we have enough definitely for 2 cards. So I have the card base, I have this. I think we're going to use this because I think it'll look good on there. These two go well together, and I think this is not too overbearing. I also pulled out this Boo paper pad from Recollections 2016. Now, I'll tell you, last year when I went to try to find the paper pads that Michaels had last year, I don't recall being able to find a lot of them, or maybe they just were not in my price range, like $5 or $6. And I haven't really purchased any from Tuesday Morning. So what we're going to do, the reason why I said it's going to be quick and easy, a quick card, is because we're going to just cut out a card base. A sentiment, these cut aparts, and we're going to layer it onto another piece of paper, probably a paper from this paper pad because we need to use that up, and then we're just going to throw it on there, and that's how we're going to get our card done. Okay, so I was thinking they had the witches things. I got the stamps, but I don't think they had a lot of paper. And then when it went like on clearance or whatever, the people that live here scooped it up because I really don't go to Michael's unless someone tells me, hey, they're having this great sale. And then when I go, I'm like, okay, I don't need, any of this stuff. So this is what we're going to do with this card right here. Something quick and simple. I am going to ink up the edges, but we're going to put this here. And the whole reason is to try to use this ribbon. The bad part about using this ribbon is that you can't see it. And sometimes you don't have to see it, but if I do this, you won't see any ribbon, right? No ribbon. No ribbon will, none of the design at least will be displayed. So we may have to put the ribbon, nix the ribbon, right? Even though the ribbon was the whole main focus. Let's see, what's that? Nope, that's trash. I don't think we're going to be able to use the cat at all. The cat ribbon, which was the whole purpose of the daggone creations. Um, he'll come up some other time. So what I did, I used Wild Honey, and also, just some quick cards. Daily Nightshade. Some people are into Halloween a lot, and it'd be cool for them to get like random little Halloween cards and trinkets, I guess. Little goofy, spooky things, like, you can mail things off, which I haven't seen. I haven't been out like shopping either, but I haven't seen a lot of fall stuff yet. And I had went to the 99-cent store looking for fall things, and I told the lady, I was like, you guys don't have your fall stuff up yet? And she was like, no, they don't think about us like that. And I was like, okay, because that was the whole reason for me to go there, actually. So I just put on some glue. I'm just gonna rub it in, burnish it in, and then we're gonna move on to the next portion, which is going to go on top of there. And what I'm going to do is assemble most of the cards and come back and just do like the last piece with you all. Okay, so I couldn't go without trying a 5x7 card. I just layered this on with some glue, and then I put more glue on the back of this because this paper is pretty sturdy paper, and the card base itself is a pretty sturdy card base. So I felt like we could double glue everything on here, but the other ones are not as sturdy, so we will not be gluing all of them on. What I've noticed about the 5x7 layering, I need to get better at it. So now we have this right here. We have our card base. I put some foam tape right here. So I glued down foam tape, and now I'm going to glue on there, and it's going to look like this. So when I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do, and then we'll put some bling pieces on to give it a little bit of shining. And I think all the different shades of orange really go well. The same thing with this. This has some orange polka dot right here. This layer piece is orange polka dot, and then it's black. So it's orange on orange polka dot, and this is black and orange polka dot. And then on top of this orange sheet, I think it looks good. And with the wild honey, I think it actually brings it together very nicely. And I was considering doing, you know, 2 of these, but I think I'm going to use these for something else, like a little pull-out card. We'll see. Okay, so this is our almost finished project. So this card we're going to leave as is. It just says Happy Halloween, which I think is really cute. Even though this owl is supposed to be spooky, it gives me a little bit of eliteness going on. It's like, I'm better than you. And I need to put some glue right in the corner on this little piece, because that's going to bug me. You ever have projects that just kind of is complete, but when you look at it, you're like, oh, I need to, yep, that was that glue, that corner. Okay, so we got this one, landscape. We have another landscape card, and I thought it would be cute to put these little jewel pieces right there. So what I'm going to try and do is drop. It's getting low. And if the thing wasn't bent, I would turn it upside down, so it'd be easier for me to use it. But the little pin is bent and the ball is missing. So I'm not missing, it's broke. So it take a lot, I feel like it would take a lot longer for me to uncap it versus just shake, shake, shake a little bit. Okay. So there we go with this. These projects are not supposed to be stressful at all. You know, we have some layering and things like that going on. It's supposed to be something quick and fun. I'm sure you have some scrapbook paper, if you're a paper crafter, that has some sheets in there that you may not have used, and you can just cut those and use them as layer pieces. And I have a ton of scraps left over, so I'm going to watch some scrappy videos and try and figure out what I can do, because some of my scrap pieces are humongous and some of them are itty bitty. So that's a quick little project. And if you have a friend that's into Halloween or maybe spooky things, and they like receiving your handmade crafts, you could take your Halloween paper pad, or orange and black and purple, right? Those are the universal Halloween colors, and create a few things and send them to that person. I enjoyed this. I hope that you did as well. I want to say thank you all for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.